Hey you all, welcome. I hope the sales has been going great for you all. It has been going good for me. This is the trunk of my car and this is what I have left. I sold out once. I went home and I got more stuff. Here I have like at least, and today is Saturday, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 gifts I have left. 18 gifts. This trunk was full, the back seat was full, the front seat was full. My brother's car, the trunk was full, the back seat was full, and the front seat was full. The only seats that were available is the driver's seat in both cars. And I have a SUV, he have a car. And now all I have left is 18 gifts I have left in the trunk of my car. 18 gifts. I'm currently in Walmart's parking lot. So this is all I have left for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to come out tomorrow. I might come out in the morning, get something done, and so I could go back home and enjoy Mother's Day with my family. But this Mother's Day have been a blessed one. I hope you all, according to Boss Lady Fee, I hope you all got your money and fill your bag, because I sure did get my money and fill my bag. All right, guys, I am selling these. Let me show you. I don't know if I had shown you guys these. Maybe I did. This is one of those beers. What is this on your nose? This is what it looks like. This was from, I believe, Christmas. I like the colors inside. And I think it is holding a blanket. And then I put a Dove body wash and this Happy Place body spray. So I don't know if I've shown you guys this, but I just feel like showing you all this. I don't know why, but yeah, 18 gifts I have left after selling out first. Went home, get some more gifts, and now I have 18 gifts in the trunk of my car, ready to hope somebody late, you always have them late shoppers will buy these gifts. So I think as I said, with this for tomorrow, this is not enough. As I said, we have late buyers. So what I'm gonna do, I need to fix this. What I need to do, or will do, is go home and see if I have any more gifts that needs to be what's the word I'm looking for, adjust, like things I had from Valentine's Day that did not sell. I'm gonna go and see if I could, what else I have left, and see if I could tweak them, and hopefully either I sell out tomorrow or I'll sell majority of what's left. So guys, this Mother's Day has been great. I thank God. I hope you all, as I mentioned, I hope you all sell everything that you guys make. I hope you sell all your gift baskets, or at least 99% of your gift baskets. And I need the break. I know I took a break between Valentine's Day and Easter, but I need another break, because right after Easter came Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is one of those holidays that you have to give your all. I'm not saying you don't give your all for the rest of the holidays, but Mother's Day is one of those that everybody have one of those. Everybody might not have a Valentine. Excuse me guys, there's a truck passing. Not everyone might have a Valentine, but everyone sure does have a mother, alive or not. We all have a mother, so we have to come out good for Mother's Day. So with that being said, you all, if I don't come on here tomorrow, I want to wish everyone, all the mothers on here, I want to wish you all a happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys have a good one. If your mom is not with you anymore, I pray that you also have a good one. Enjoy Mother's Day with your kids, your family. If you're by yourself, just utter a word of prayer, eat something, listen to some music, and just enjoy the moment. All right, take care you all, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.